Hi everyone! Today at Abrigo Home, we will be giving you a tutorial on how to measure a room in your home. All you'll need is to be in the area you want to measure, a measuring tool like the one we will show in the video. You can buy these in any hardware store available. Then you'll need any electronic device with the app GoodNotes downloaded. First, we will draw the room in GoodNotes pre-measure. Our room has a chimney in the middle, and then I'll go through and erase where there are windows and doors. Then go back in with a thinner pencil, with a French door, a window, a window, a window, and this is our barn door. When I draw the measurements, I use a different color with a lighter line weight. Now, for the measuring tool, press the red button. You'll see the line, press a second time, and it will give you a distance. It is very, very accurate. Press it one more time and it will go back to 0. We will start with measuring the overall room. For today, we will be measuring our lovely studio office in Kittery. Line the tool with the light pointing on one wall, and you'll see the laser light on the other wall all the way across. Now for the other wall I have here, I'll press it again for the measurement. It is 11 feet 6 inches and 5/8. You'll draw a line across. These are interior wall-to-wall measurements, so I'll always go from exactly where I was measuring here. Now we will measure the chimney. The importance of this is knowing where it is in reference to the other walls. In this case, we will use this wall and measure it from the chimney to the wall. That's 9 feet and 11 3/4. Now we will do the other wall. Since I started with this point on the side, I'll do the same for this side. The light goes to the farther wall over there, and that's 5 feet 7 1/4. Now we will draw it. I'll place the arrow right where I took the measurements and write them here. Next, we will measure the ceiling height. This is super easy. Just put the tool on the ground and press the red button. The light will be on the ceiling. Press again, and there is the measurement, 8 feet 7/16. The way we write the ceiling height is 8 feet 7/16. Write CH before and draw an oval around it. So now we're going to do the windows. We go inside to inside trim. It is 2 feet 6 inches and 5/8. Now the height of the window from inside to inside, that is 4 feet 11. You can just write 5 on the top of the sill here to the floor. That is 4 feet 11. You can just write 5 feet though. Now we want to see how high this window is hung. This is important. We take it from the top of the sill here to the floor, and that is 1 foot 10 inches. We write that as 2 feet 6 by 5. It always goes width then height. And then it was 1 foot 11, and you write SH, which is sill height. If all the windows are the same, you can write all are the same. If not, do the measurements like so again. In this office, I just know that they are all the same. For the doorways, you'll take the inside trim to inside trim. That is 2 foot 6 inches. And the height is the same way. You measure the ceiling, but to the top of the trim in the doorway. Since this is our studio in Kittery, it is all jumbled up. So if your space is like that, to see the measurement of the window to the corner wall, measure from the window trim, where the rough opening is, to the wall, and that is 1 foot 4 inches. Now on your drawing, you want to write the room name, your name, date, and write a note somewhere that all measurements from interior to interior, just so I know. Thank you so much and happy measuring!